Hello, my name is Tommy, and I'm a technician at Genius Phone Repair, Mishawaka. Welcome to another Tech Tuesday video. Today I'm going to be talking about ways you can improve the lifespan of your phone battery. Phone batteries degrade over time. We're lasting about 2 years before becoming significantly degraded. But there are things you can do to improve the lifespan of your phone battery. First, you can be sure to close open applications. Modern smartphones allow applications to run in the background. Most smartphones allow you to close these applications, which will slow the rate at which your battery degrades. Another factor in battery aging is extreme temperatures. Temperatures below freezing or above 100 degrees can significantly damage your battery. Water damage can also damage your battery, so be sure to stop by your nearest Genius Phone Repair location if your phone is exposed to water. Finally, be sure to avoid using chargers that are not either sold directly by your manufacturer or are certified by your manufacturer. Thank you for tuning in to this Tech Tuesday, and be sure to stop by your nearest Genius Phone Repair location if your phone is dying quickly or you think the battery needs to be replaced.